I'm literally inside a washroom. That's the beauty of this place. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Plant Cult channel, and today we are visiting Go Green Nursery one more time. This is a beautiful private space which you can visit for some refreshment and take some plants along. The air here is so fresh and clean, it's like being in a different world. Go Green Nursery offers a wide variety of plants including trees, shrubs, flowers, succulents and cactus. They also have wide section of pots, planters and gardening supplies. In addition, they offer landscaping services and garden maintenance. Go Green Nursery is a pet-friendly nursery, so you can bring your furry friends along for the visit. They also have a cafe called PanTree which serves healthy and delicious food. I was really excited to try the food at their PanTree Cafe. I started with the kids platter. It's a one-stop combo of everything I love. There is mini pizza, pasta, fries and nachos. And it's all so delicious. Next, I tried their burnt garlic fried rice and I must say it was definitely one of the best fried rice I ever had. So if you are looking for a delicious and satisfying meal, even if you are a vegetarian, I highly recommend veg burnt garlic rice at Go Green Nursery. But even if you are not hungry, I still recommend visiting Go Green Nursery. The place is simply stunning. The plants are so lush and green and the air is so fresh and clean. It's a perfect place to relax and distress. If you are enjoying this video, do hit on the like button and help me reach wider audience. I could spend hours just walking around the nursery admiring all the plants, and I'm sure you will too. They have these beautiful washrooms with plants all around them. For exact location and all of the minute details of the place, you can watch my previous video which I uploaded earlier in 2022. So this was my short monsoon visit to Go Green Nursery. For the plants review, you can watch my previous video. That was all I had for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did being there. If you want any kind of more information regarding this place, feel free to drop it in comment section below. I would be really happy to assist you. Share this with fellow plant and nature enthusiasts, and for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.